Assalamu alaikum. This is the first Galaxy S4 in Lahore, and I'm going to open the box and demonstrate about it in front of you. I bought that directly from Samsung house using my contacts, but was late to shoot the video. Okay, this is the first look of Galaxy S4, as you can see. This is a smart sleek handset, as you can see. The borders, front and the back. The display is 5 inches, full HD, huge display. Okay. Box. Okay. दूर से जरा करो. Okay, let me check how to open this. It's a data cable, a normal USB data cable, a hands-free, properly you can say just like Beats audio with bass tubes, a battery and earplugs. Well, that's it. There's a charger in it, USB, universal charger, catalog, and that's it. Okay, now we are going to turn on the handset. मुझे भी focus करते हैं. Okay. So I'm going to remove the case very nicely. I don't see any kind of here it is, a placement for SIM, the same size of iPhone 4, or you can say micro SIM card. No, it accepts a normal SIM card. No, I have to make sure. Okay, we are going to start it without the SIM card. Battery inserted. The jacks are all over it, so you have to be very careful while placing it. Okay, now we're going to start that set. The first look of the Galaxy S4. So we're going to start it without the SIM card. The handset is very lightweight and the touch sensation is very good. The keyboard is quite friendly, just like Galaxy S3. Okay, this is the first look. going through the apps. So first of all, we would like to go to the gallery, as everybody is waiting for that. The video quality is superb, as you can see. Super HD AMOLED screen. So that was the first look of the Galaxy S4 and the apps. You can see more about it on the YouTube, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you very much. This is Asif, this is Abdullah, and this is Bilal. Thank you very much.